Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. Myself Neetu Khandelwal and I'm Chief Operating Officer of CG Logistics and Team Aviation. I'm basically a group CEO of the company and I've been with the company almost 2 decades. It's almost 24 years. I've been working for Team Aviation and CG Logistics and other group companies.
Are you specialized in giving the logistics solutions to the aviation of airlines?
Yes, we are, you can say we are aerospace specialized logistics company for India and we've been working with Indigo, you can say since day one, right? We are giving our logistics services to them. So basically we are not only we are giving freight forwarding services.
And operational, MRO operations?
Yes, MRO operations too. So, the companies who are into MRO operations, the company who are NSOPs, commercial airline, defense, they all are taking services from us.
So can you tell more about your company?
So what we do, let me tell you about our company. So basically, we are international freight forwarder and custom house agent. So we pick up the shipment for a customer from wherever they ask us to pick up. We give the AOG services, the routine services, DG handling, whatever they as per their wish, right? And we move the shipment for them. We bring it to Indian Customs. We do the custom clearance as per the requirement, and we do the final delivery. So if they ask us to keep in warehouse, so we keep them warehouse, and accordingly whenever they need we arrange logistics solutions to them.
So how do you ensure the downtime of sending the logistics
So, for
solutions?
example, if customers' aircraft is on ground, right, and or it can be on ground, so they ask us to move shipment on AOG basis. AOG is basically the aircraft on ground service. So we are expert in AOG. You can say we pick up this shipment within few hours. We do the international clearances, do the handlings, and then immediately we bring them into the India, do the clearance. So within few hours, we give that kind of specialized service to airlines so that their aircraft can become airworthy all the time.
So where do you see the logistics solutions in the aviation industry growing in next 3 to 5 years?
So see, as we all can see, in media, in news, and everywhere, that Indian aviation is growing like anything, right? Because the best part, we have population, right? We have mass, we have youth. So now everywhere would like to travel by air. So it is growing like anything.
Thank you for sharing your insights with us.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.